Sanibonani babukele. Kusaseyilo champion lele. Siyaphinda siyahlangana futhi kuyo emafikhi. Ola namhlanje udaba libheka kanje. Kungo 2016 kwaku December ngaleso sikhathi. 2016 yebo 2016 uDisemba ngangamakhoba ke lapho ngisebenza kwenye tavern itavern yakhona ingake esangweni lamatshe. Hayi ke ngifike ngisebenze ke kule tavern ngisebenza nomnye umfana nje wakhona efamilini yakithi. Hayi sisebenza kamnandi futhi lana sisebenzela kamnandi kuhle kunje ya. Ayafika umnikazi wetavern. Mayifika umnikazi wetavern atona ngiyakuthatha wena. Uyosebenza lesitolo sami seFranklin. Ngithi usho kanje baba thi yebo. Ngiyakuthatha wena. Ayangithatha ubaba nangempela kwaku Friday futhi. Siqale eMatatiyela, aymasifike eMatatiyela. Kube mnandi sizishopishele sithenga into ephuzekayo siziphuzele sibese sibuya khona kaMakhoba. Masibuya kaMakhoba sihambe naye lo mjita athi uzabuya naye kusasa but masiye khona kuphi eFranklin. Ayisiyofika eFranklin kube mnandi sambe siyazinathela endleleni sidlala amazaza wethu la soyi 3 lo mjita ekhaya uyeni owner le tavern sidlala amazaza. Hawu siyofika masifike eFranklin sifika nayi shop engibona ukuthi yabona ke la ziyaphihlika lana izigate eziningi. Hayi sifike sizihlalele kube mnandi futhi sifike nomnye umjita sihlala sibawu 3 sisebenze la sisebenzela ngivese sengithola enye intombi igama layo kwakuSilindo. Thole le ntombi awisilende sasi right madoda idakhi. Kukuhle Nkosi yami lokho kumntwana kukuhle. Nkosi yami kwakunengane encane ingane yakhe ngicabanga ukuthi ayina 2 years ngaleso sikhathi. Ndala ke leyo ngane manje indoda ena 12 leyo. Hawu ngishele lokho kuyintombi iqome. Hawu kudlule 2 days ngizwe sekuthiwa kuhambile kubuyele emakhaya kubuyele eMakhoba kwaseMakhoba nawo. Hawu usehambile uDala. Yebo uDala uhambile. Okay. Into engizoyithini le? Ngiyazifikela la kule ndawo anginasimayo. Ayi ngihlale kancane ngihlale iviki bese ifike le ndoda umnikazi. Athi unikazi hayi ubuyela kaMakhoba wendoda. Ngidinga umuntu ngale ibhiziningi kakhulu ngithi ayakho inkinga. Gibeze sibuyele khona emasifika futhi awu ngempela ibhizi khona kumnandi. Get along namajita khona kube mnandi nje mayifikile emini siyazichilela ngiyathengisa siyachila kumnandi. Awu ithi gqile ntombi la ngalokuqala ithi gqi mayithi gqi ngithi hayi bo songala athi nawe songala ngithi yebo usangitshela ukuthi soyahamba. Athi yena hayi inkinga ngazumeka. Ngithi mina nami ngizumekile. Unikazi ufikile ngalo wathi hayi masahambe ngidinga ngale ngoba manje kubhizi ngale. Hawu ngajabula ngoba phela bese ngizwile ukuthi ukhona la emakhaya. Adoka nami ngiyajabula usobhuya. Akube mnandi kube lelo langa elimnandi into late kawubuye late sizobonana atha konke bani isikhathi ngithi ngo9 kawubuye. Ngo9 ngempela wabe sefikile vela akekho ukuthi ubuqama mana nje. Abuye Jalo umjita lesenzana etavern bava ngizobamba namhlanje late ngo9 nje wazi ukuthi ngiyakushiya lelo nozavala sasifala ngabo 11. All right. Sifika umntwana ngo-9 sihambe esendlini engilala kuyo. Hawu, sifike kube mnandi, sihlale kamnandi. Ngangisakhula-ke lapho Nkosi yami, izinto eziningi ngingekazazi. Hayi, ukhohlakele lo mntwana, khohlakele. Hayi, sithe sisalele, hayi kangiyiqala leya nto leyana. Angimkhohlwa lo mntwana, yabona. Hi champion, I'm a 34-year-old man, and for the past 7 years I have been struggling with feelings that I do not fully understand. I was raised by my paternal grandmother because my mother had me when she was still in high school and left me in her care. We were separated for many years. In 2019, my mother and I reunited. She is now 53 years old. After we reconnected, I began to develop feelings towards her that have been confusing and difficult for me to process. In our household, there have been situations that may have contributed to this, such as lack of clear boundaries, including her sometimes walking around in revealing clothing, and our openness in discussing personal and intimate topics. At one point, she even asked to see whether I had developed a six-pack, which made me feel uncomfortable and added to my confusion. She takes care of her physical health and goes to the gym regularly, and I have become aware of her appearance in ways that contribute to my internal conflict. There have also been moments that I found it difficult to interpret, such as when she would leave doors open while she was in private spaces, or when I unexpectedly saw her dressed in a way that felt overly personal for our relationship. These situations added to my sense of uncertainty and made it harder for me to understand what was appropriate. We are able to talk for hours, and at times I feel as though our conversations become flirtatious, which further complicates my emotions. I am also aware that she tends to date younger men, and this sometimes influences how I interpret her behavior. Because of these experiences, I sometimes find myself wondering whether her behavior could suggest that she's also attracted to me. However, I am not certain whether I am interpreting her actions correctly, and this uncertainty adds to my emotional conflict. These experiences have made it harder for me to manage my thoughts and emotions. I find myself feeling increasingly conflicted and overwhelmed, and I am unsure how to deal with these experiences in a healthy way. I have considered telling her how I feel, but I also recognize that this situation is complicated and could have serious consequences.